Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this hot, humid Wednesday afternoon. As expected, look at Narragansett Town Beach. Well, clearly the tide is high, so there's less beach space there, but a big crowd, a gorgeous beach day with tons of sunshine. Only downside, we do have an air quality alert that'll continue through 11 o'clock this evening, ground level ozone, but otherwise it's a spectacular summer day. Very warm to hot. Temperatures generally in the upper 80s to lower 90s. At last check, Taunton was at 93 degrees. The high temperatures, not every location making it into the 90s, but a few communities that had no problem doing that. West Warwick, it topped out at 94. Chepachet, 93. Hope Valley, 91. Providence, 90. Ironically, the official high temperature for the state is actually kept not so much it's at the airport in Warwick. Where at last check it was 88 degrees. Now we're taping this as of 3:30. There's still an opportunity to add a few more degrees to Warwick to make it an official high temperature of 90 at the airport. Bottom line, it's hot, it's humid. I mean, it's not record-breaking or extreme, but it's a hot and humid day. Air quality alert, it's not due to wildfire smoke, but the elevated concentrations of ground level ozone, so unhealthy for some. Any respiratory sensitive people need to be mindful of that. Meanwhile, our threat tracker remains low this evening and right on through Thursday. We're going to bump things up to yellow on Friday. Got a couple of chances for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think the first chance would come very early in the morning, pre-dawn, early morning on Friday, with perhaps a second round later in the afternoon. But in between that, there'll be some dry periods as well. But it's one of those kind of be weather aware kind of days where at times, not the entire day, but at times, there will be some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, remaining very humid. In fact, speaking of humidity, let's take a look at the old muggy meter where we keep track of the dew point, and it's pretty much elevated here now through the entire week. So the dew points are right up in here. We've got dew points in the upper 60s to low 70s. So here we are right now, and really into the very humid category Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday of next week. So just right up in here. So, it's summertime. It happens, right? All right, satellite and radar composite. Locally, it's quiet. Now, there are thunderstorms out in western Mass, out towards Albany, New York. You can see the activity right in here. I don't think this is going to have much of an impact in our area locally, though, right in here, maybe Foster, Gloucester, Harrisville, southern Worcester County, where I'm pointing this blue arrow right here. Maybe an early evening thunderstorm. But otherwise, I think most of the area stays dry this evening. This activity will stay to our north and west. Here's the wider view. All right, we're getting real close, and we'll walk you through the forecast this evening and overnight. Another mild, warm, humid night with temperatures in the 70s. Here we are Thursday morning at 7 a.m., starting off in the low 70s, kind of hazy, sun and clouds. Very warm to borderline hot. I don't think we get into the 90s, but certainly middle to upper 80s, so very warm and humid under partly sunny skies. This is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Here we are at 6 o'clock in the evening. This is Thursday. And then later Thursday night, clouds on the increase. It's after midnight Thursday night, so late Thursday night, pre-dawn Friday. Have to keep an eye to the west for some approaching showers and thunderstorms, which will probably spill over into daybreak on Friday. For this evening, though, it's fairly quiet, just kind of warm and humid. 7 o'clock, 83. By 11 o'clock in the evening, warm and humid at 76. For your Thursday morning, looking at a blend of clouds and sunshine and warm and muggy once again by 11 a.m. under partly sunny skies and get up to about 84. And while we may not technically get to 90, it's pretty toasty on Thursday and quite humid as well. A mix of clouds and sunshine, looking at temperatures topping out in the middle to upper 80s. Bay forecast for Thursday, looking at the wind out of the southwest turning south at 5 to 15 knots. Another decent beach day as well. A little more in the way of cloud cover. I mean, it's not a solid overcast. I mean, today was clearly all day sunshine. It's more of a cloud-sun mixture on Thursday at the beach, but still a decent beach day, looking at temperatures, air temperatures in the lower 80s, and the water temperature now quite warm at about 72 to 73. And again, next chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms late Thursday night into parts of Friday.